Trick-or-treating will be pleasant, but those clocks will fall back in just 3 short days on November 2nd. Now we are going to be losing an hour, which will mean our sunsets will be just around 5 p.m. if not before. But as we look at today's highs, we saw high temperatures in the upper 50s. Now as we see quicker or earlier sunsets, we will start to see temperatures drop. But for today, we saw high temperatures in the 60s in parts of the area, a high temperature of 61 degrees over in Terre Haute in Indiana. But as we look here across Eastern's campus in the background, we saw mostly clear skies for the daytime, but now some clouds are beginning to move into the area, and those clouds are going to continue to move in as we move overnight tonight. Partly cloudy skies for our overnight hours, along with temperatures dropping down into the 40s, a low temperature overnight tonight of 40 degrees, along with winds blowing out of the west at just 5 to 10 miles per hour. But as we look at our skies overnight tonight, we're going to be seeing clouds moving into our area, possible maybe a few sprinkles across the area, but likely this rainfall will not reach the surface due to our dry surface conditions at the moment, and that's because of the evaporation taking place as this rain falls. So likely this may produce just a few sprinkles as we move overnight tonight. But as we move into tomorrow morning, that rain and those clouds will move out, and we'll be left with mostly clear skies as we start our daytime tomorrow. And those mostly clear skies will stay with us until the afternoon, but then some more clouds will move into the area. Partly cloudy skies in the late afternoon and early evening hours for your Halloween, along with a high temperature of 57 degrees throughout the daytime on your Halloween. But temperatures will be cooling down for around that trick-or-treating hour, and you'll notice we're going to have winds blowing out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, which will mean a breezier Halloween as we move throughout the evening. Now looking at our skies for our Halloween, mostly clear skies as we start the day and move throughout the afternoon. You will notice clouds building, a few raindrops popping in, but likely once again will not reach the surface. So we will be seeing just cloudy skies for our Halloween and trick-or-treat hours, and that will continue as we move overnight Friday as well. No rain for your Halloween. And we're going to continue to see dry conditions, and that's causing our drought monitor to spread further southward. Now we're seeing that severe drought now dipping down into Coles County once again, with that extreme drought still just staying in Champaign and Piatt counties. And we're seeing that drought spread because we haven't seen any significant rainfall, but no significant rainfall is good for our Halloween. It'll be on October 31st on Friday. Around that trick-or-treat hour, we'll be seeing temperatures around 47 degrees. So you may want to bring a coat with you to put over that costume, but no rain is expected, just partly cloudy skies for your Halloween hours. And then as we move into Saturday, it'll be family weekend here at Eastern Illinois, and that kickoff will be around 2 p.m. against UT Martin. But before that, we'll see a family weekend tailgate around 11 a.m. It will be a little chilly to start that tailgate with temperatures around 41 degrees, but we'll warm up around 2 p.m. for that kickoff to around 51 degrees, seeing mostly cloudy skies throughout this entire day as we move throughout our Saturday. Now, even with these temperatures cooling down, we are expecting to be above average for the next 6 to 10 days. And as we look at our 7-day, we'll see temperatures cool down at first, getting down into the 50s by the end of our weekend. But then we're going to start to see temperatures warm back up again on Monday, a high temperature of 57 degrees on Monday, and continuing to be warm as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday. And around midweek, we'll even see a high temperature of 61 degrees on Wednesday.